emath project. So before the video started, right, I have already found all the values for this equation using the spreadsheet formula, which I get all these values over here. After finding all these values in question 1, we are supposed to copy and paste this whole table over here and insert it into a quadratic graph, which is with the two lines which I have did over here already. So this is the two graphs that I actually got, the two lines that I actually got in this graph. And for the graph, right, the number B and C can change the shape and the line of the graph. For example, if I change 4 to 2 and 5 to 3, I press enter, the line of the graph actually change, and for the number over here, it do actually also change. So right, let me get the number back. So this is actually how the graph works in question 2 when both the curves are displayed. And now coming to question 3, we're supposed to display numerical discriminant and numeric solution to the equation. For the numerical discriminant for this quadratic equation will be b squared minus 4ac. So the solution for the x will be b will be equals to square itself minus 4. A will be x will be actually 1, so multiply by 1. C will be also will be decided by this value over here, so it will be 5. And the answer you will get is negative 4 for x1, and the second answer will be positive 4. So given coming to question 4, given the function in the completed square form y equals to this equation over here, we are supposed to explain how the graph is shifted up basically. So right, the graph is actually the basic quadratic function, right, has a vertex at the origin which is 0, 0, and it's open outwards and is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. The graph is a parabola that opens outward. So basically, the axis that depends the graph from moving left or to right or up to down will be determined by the x and y axis. The x-axis will determine whether the line, the curve, will be moving from left to right or right to left by how many numbers. For the y-axis will determine the line to either going up or going down. So this is how the graph is shifted up. So coming to question 5, we are supposed to explain the changes in solution for different discriminant values. So for discriminant values, we have b squared, which is, we have 3 for, we got b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. We also have b squared minus 4ac equals to, lesser than 0. And finally, we also have b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. For these 3 examples over here, for b squared minus 4ac equals to 0, it means that it had only one root solution, which is there's only one solution to the equation. X equals to 0, which means there's only the curve, one part of the curve is touching the x-axis. For b squared minus 4ac lesser than 0, it suggests that the graph is completely under the x-axis, which means that there will be no line cutting through the x-axis, which determines that there will be no real roots in the solution. Wait, sorry. For b squared minus 4ac less than 0, there will be two new and distinct roots as the curve is under the x-axis, which means that there is 2 points cutting the x-axis. For b squared minus 4ac greater than 0, which means that the whole graph is above the x-axis, which means that there will be no roots. So this is the answer for this emath project right over here. Thank you for listening.